This is our first video in the series for you, the parents, on how to use Genesis. The easiest way to access the Genesis Parent Portal is to go to our district website at oceanschools.org. Once you are here, if you go to the Parents and Students tab, you can then click Parents, and it will take you to our Parent link page. The first link is for the Genesis Parent Portal. Click here. Once you're here, if you choose to, you can go and change your language to your preferred language. And then you're going to enter in your username, which is your primary email address, and then your password. If you forget your password, you can click the Forget My Password button. All of this information was emailed to you from Genesis. When you're ready, click Login. Once you are into the Genesis Parent Portal, you will find that you are on the student data page. This will give you information about your child. The current schedule will appear in light green with the current block appearing in bright green. You will also have on this page information about this week's attendance and assignments and bus information. If you have more than one child in the school district, you can toggle the drawdown menu and switch between your children. The next thing you're going to click is the Message Center. This may have a red indicator on it. Once you're in the Message Center, you will see an icon at the top here that shows how many messages you have that are unread. These are messages from the school district. Currently, I have 3 messages that are unread and unopened. I can look at them using the proper icons here. These are forms that need to be filled out for the school district, though. So I can click on the form, open it up, fill it out, and submit it when I'm done. Then I can click back to the Student Data tab, which is where we will go next for our next video on grades and attendance. Thank you for watching.